Welcome to Wellen Park, one of the most exciting and fastest growing communities in Southwest Florida. Nestled between Venice and Northport, this area blends modern living with small town charm, offering a lifestyle that's both vibrant and relaxing. Today, we'll explore everything Wellen Park has to offer, from stunning real estate to incredible dining and fun activities for the whole family. There's no shortage of things to do in Wellen Park. Outdoor enthusiasts will love the miles of walking and biking trails, perfect for soaking up the Florida sunshine. And with beautiful lakes scattered throughout the community, kayaking and paddleboarding are popular ways to stay active and enjoy the natural beauty of the area. Wellen Park offers a vibrant array of regular events that foster community engagement and provide entertainment for residents and visitors alike. Experience live music performances daily under the Heritage Tree in downtown Wellen Park, featuring a rotating lineup of musicians against the scenic backdrop of the Grand Lake. Performances typically occur from 6 to 10 p.m., with Sunday sessions from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. Enjoy an energetic concert by the band No Filter on the Solace Hall stage from 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. on the first Friday nights of each month, and enjoy a host of other live music and entertainment events every Friday night, providing a lively start to the weekend. On the third Thursday of each month, enjoy the dynamic performances of dueling pianos in downtown Wellen Park. When it comes to dining, Wellen Park doesn't disappoint. The downtown Wellen area is becoming a culinary hotspot, with a variety of restaurants that offer everything from casual bites to upscale cuisine. So whether you're in the mood for fresh seafood or gourmet burger or even some handcrafted gelato, you'll find it here. The dining scene is not just about the food, it's about the ambiance. Picture enjoying a delicious meal while overlooking the lake, or dining al fresco under string lights with live music playing in the background. And if you love craft beer and local flavors, you're in luck. Many of the restaurants here feature Florida-inspired menus that highlight fresh, local ingredients. Avalone & Company indulge in fresh oysters, prime cuts of meat, and sustainable seafood selections, complemented by an extensive bourbon, whiskey, and scotch collection. The Banyan House offers new American cuisine with citrus wood-fired steaks, seafood, and pasta, all enjoyed with sweeping lakefront views. The heart of the community, downtown Wellen, features an 80-acre man-made lake, scenic walking trails, and hosts a variety of events, fostering a vibrant social atmosphere. This area is incredibly family-friendly, with parks, playgrounds, and green spaces where kids and pets can play freely. It's also a golfer's dream, with several championship golf courses just a short drive away. And sports fans, take note. Wellen Park is home to Cool Today Park, the spring training facility for the Atlanta Braves. Whether you're catching a game, enjoying a community event, or just soaking up the lively atmosphere, this ballpark is a fantastic addition to the area. One of the best parts of living in Wellen Park is its proximity to some of Florida's most famous beaches. You're just a short drive from the pristine sands of Venice Beach, where you can hunt for shark teeth, or the serene shores of Minnesota Key, perfect for paddleboarding or simply soaking in the Gulf Coast's natural beauty. It's like having a tropical getaway right in your backyard. Whether you're a beach lover or just looking for a quick escape, Wellen Park puts you close to it all. When it comes to real estate, Wellen Park truly has something for everyone. Whether you're a young professional, a growing family, or a retiree seeking your own slice of paradise, you'll find a variety of homes designed to fit your lifestyle. Currently under development, Everly offers a mix of custom estate homes and semi-customizable luxury residences, catering to distinctive homeowners seeking personalized elegance. Grand Place is an exclusive gated enclave of just 42 luxury semi-custom homes, nestled amidst nature preserves and wildlife habitats. Developed by Sam Rogers Homes, this community offers spacious floor plans with high-end finishes. In neighborhoods like Gran Paradiso, you'll find Tuscan-inspired single-family homes featuring red tile roofs and stucco siding, and luxurious resort-style amenities including a massive walk-in pool, state-of-the-art fitness facility, pickleball courts, tennis courts, steam rooms, sauna, library, and so much more. Inside the homes, you'll find luxurious touches like gourmet kitchens with quartz countertops, spa-like master bathrooms, and energy-efficient designs. Many homes also feature spacious lanais and outdoor kitchens, perfect for enjoying the Florida lifestyle year-round. Whether you're looking for a cozy villa or a sprawling estate, the real estate options in Wellen Park cater to every need and every dream. And with builders offering customizable options, you can create a home that's truly unique. But the homes are just the beginning. Wellen Park's communities are built around a lifestyle that's second to none. Imagine unwinding at a luxurious pool with cabanas, hosting events at a beautifully appointed clubhouse, or staying active with on-site yoga classes, tennis courts, and pickleball. So what's the vibe like in Wellen Park? The vibe here in Wellen Park is truly special. It's a perfect balance of energy and tranquility. Residents enjoy a sense of community that's warm and welcoming, all while having access to modern amenities and world-class experiences. Imagine starting your day with a yoga class by the lake, grabbing coffee with friends, and ending the evening with a stunning sunset stroller dinner at one of the local restaurants. Every moment here feels thoughtfully designed for enjoyment and relaxation. As you can see, Wellen Park is more than just a place to live. It's a lifestyle. From stunning homes and amazing dining to endless activities and that welcoming community feel. It's no wonder people are falling in love with this area. If you're looking for a place that combines modern convenience, natural beauty, and a vibrant community, Wellen Park might just be your perfect match. I'd love to help you explore everything this incredible area has to offer. I'm Stephen Ault, and I'd be thrilled to help you find your dream home in Wellen Park. Let's make it happen. And don't forget to say, show me Wellen Park.